Hello fellas, let's learn another array method which is filter. That is a very important array method you will learn right now. So what is filter? Filter method basically returns a new array containing only the items that pass a condition. So you give a condition inside the array method called filter. So if the iteration triggers, if the condition passes, that particular element will be added into a new array, and that's how it works. So when do we should use this filter method? Use filter method when you want to exclude certain values, for example out of stock items, or remove empty or null values, or filter by price, type, category, etc. Let's try this by example. Let's me create a product array for do the example. Const product equals, let's make an array and let's create a couple of objects here. Let's id property, let's make it 1, and create another property called name, and let's make, maybe we can use this particular array, and we don't need much, we just use 4 items, and other than that we will use another property called key called in stock. Nice. All right, we'll use that, and let's add the price as well. Price, okay, I'll use that. Nice, thank you, AI. All right, so we have an array of items, object arrays. So each object you have a key, id, name, in stock is a boolean, and price. So let's assume you want to filter the items in stock. So in that case, as I told you, how you write, when you write the filter method, you need to add a condition inside the array, not the array, sorry, in the filter method. So let's say constant in, oh yeah, let's look at this first. In stock product dot filter item, and if it is yes, in stock, yeah, this is how you should use it. Product filter, and then the element, and you check whether this element is true. So if it is true, you will get the item into a new array and you can print it. Let's see here whether it is exactly working. Fingers crossed. Let's run the application. All right, so in stock, if you see this, if it is trues are, yeah, iPhone and the iPhone 17 and iPhone 15. Yes, so we got the 2 objects as a new array according to the filter condition. So that's how you filter by adding a condition. Let's assume you want to add another one, filter by price range or something. In that case, so let's say we create a variable called const, yes, under 900. Under 900 we don't have anything, so let's say under 3000, under 3000 per under 3000 products. Yes, exactly like this. So products filter, you get the item, and you add the condition like this. So you will check the condition with the price, and it's less than 3000, if the condition satisfied, that particular item will be added to a new array item, new array as item. So let's console log this and see what we get. Yeah, let me first I think you saw the results. Let's see. Let's run it. Alright, so less than 3000, yes, we have two items like iPhone 16 and iPhone 15. Those are the two items. Yes, iPhone 15, iPhone 16. So those are the items. So those are the items. Alright, let's try another example where you want to in array, if you want to remove certain things from array, and how you can do that. Let's assume you have an array of something like this, mixed item. It's a mixed items: 0, null, hello, empty, and undefined. So if you want to do something filtered here, how you should do it? Const, let's assume cleaned, the variable is cleaned. So from the mixed array, what I do filter method, and then you pass boolean. Yeah, you can do something like this as well. So if it is any item become true, it will display here. So what do you think, which elements will be printed here? You guess it. I'll just stop the daemon and clean the clear the board, clear the console, and can you guess what will this printed? Yes, you are correct. It will print hello. That is the only thing that's become truth. So it will print that. So that is basically how you can use filter method to filter items out of the array. So I think you got something out of this particular video. Hopefully it will be helpful for your day-to-day work. If that's so, please like and subscribe the channel, and wish you all the best, and let's meet you with another good array method.